Alright, precisely 0 seconds in, I could already tell this is going to be packaged awfully. Hi guys, and welcome back to another unboxing video, and I'm joined with Sydney in the background. And in this box are not one but two of an alarm that I actually kind of needed. It was particularly a need more than a want. Thing I do praise, hopefully this has like no packing at all. That's kind of awfully packaged, but alright. Hopefully I didn't rub against each other. Okay, good thing is, now you can actually see what it is. It's a ESL 206. Most of you guys may know, I already have similar versions to this alarm. And it's the Captain Kelly's, the 929 and the 941. This one is hardware only in comparison to the 941. And then there's also a second one. I'll be getting rid of this one, selling it. And then as for brackets, I gotta check them again. This one actually does not have they do not have brackets. Which is fine with me. I mean, it's not like I'm gonna put this up or anything, and I think they still work with the 941 brackets as far as I know.
They do.
So, let's zoom into one of them. Or actually, I want to figure out which one I'm going to be keeping. It's probably going to be this one, definitely. It's going to be this one. The other one I'm going to get rid of. So this alarm, in comparison to a Captain Kelly of some kind, I gotta pull mine out, or at least one of them. Here's the 929. I mean, this one's not really a good comparison because it's the battery one, but I do have the 941. I don't feel like pulling it out right now. But you can see immediately the logos are different and the buttons are different. As for the logos, that's because this one is the original, which kind of confuses me because the Captain Kelly's, I'm not exactly sure if they made line cord or no hardwired only ones while ESL had a line cord variant, because I don't know that. Personally, I don't know. In fact, I don't even know if we've really seen one unless it's like retrofitted. But as for the unit itself, it does look really cool. It's pretty yellowed and it's not in the best condition, but I mean, it was used. And I mean, these are kind of notorious for being always like pretty used and pretty worn away. This thing definitely served them well. It's a lot of dust. What?
That's not the yellowing. They're actually meant to be that color.
Oh, really? This dark?
Yeah, gold. Like a goldish.
Oh, that's interesting, actually. I didn't know that the first time. Yeah, the Captain Kelly's, I guess they just enhanced the color a little bit. So I guess it's normal. Yeah, I didn't actually know that. That's something new for me. Anyways, hopefully this one works. Should. Wiring it up is white to white, black to black, right? It's the same thing.
Yes.
That's gonna be kind of annoying. Should have stretched that out. Oh no. I need a new wire nut. And to strip this wire. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, a few minutes later I got a new wire nut, stripped it, see if it works. Ah, that's good. Okay, it's working. I was worried that this one wasn't gonna work, but thankfully it does. And as for the sound, jump scare in 5. Sorry, guys. Oh, yes, it did. It did. And also, I just realized, this actually has a harness plug attached to it, so I can actually test the other one for you guys. That's if I can figure out this harness. How do you take this off? it. And then, okay. Now we'll get the other one on. This is the one I'm getting rid of. We'll test this one too. Alright. Plug this one in. This one works too, thankfully. And give it a second. Uh-oh. Might have to hold it down for a bit. The other one went off a lot faster. Yep, it works. Okay. These things really get you, don't they?
Yeah.
Okay. As for you said it off camera, the date code. Where is that? I forget.
It should just be a white sticker, like above the UL.
So it's 081878.
Oh, 1980.
Is the other one the same? Yeah, same.
Mine's 1981.
Yeah, these are very cool units to add, or at least one of them will be added. Yeah, I just gotta pull that off. I guess I'll keep the wire harness on it. Okay, but yeah, that's the pair of ESL 206s. Definitely a very cool alarm to add, and they are actually pretty rare. Like, at least for, I mean, the rarity level for these is very weird because you seem to find them more often than the Captain Kellys, but they've been popping up from eBay from time to time, so I did have a chance to buy these, and for a pretty good deal as well, since a lot of people actually started to get them, so it's cool to see. Let me just actually tuck this wire harness away so I could actually get a good thumbnail picture. And there you go. Alright, well that's the 206 video, and obviously I needed Sydney here because he has a 206. In fact, he has all the variants already. He had them before me, and now I do. So, yeah. That's gonna do it. Hope you enjoyed, and you want to say bye?
Bye.
That's it.